Hello everybody, hope you're all well. Welcome back to my channel. I'm back today with a mattress unboxing video for you. So here is the mattress that I'm going to be unboxing today. This has been sent to me from the team at Mattresses. So they got in touch with me recently and asked me if I'd be interested in reviewing one of their mattresses for my YouTube channel. And I said absolutely yes I would, but on one condition, and that is that there is something in it for my viewers. I really wanted to make sure that if I'm doing a video like this, that there's something in it for you guys to make it worthwhile. So I've managed to actually get a really good discount code for you in case you are considering buying one of these, and I'm also going to be giving away an Emma original mattress, and if you win you can have it in whatever size you like, whether you need a single or a king size. The choice will be yours. So I'll be telling you all about that at the end of the video, and it's going to be very easy to enter. I didn't want you guys to have to do any faffing for that. So what we're going to do now is get this unboxed so you can see exactly how that all works, and while I'm doing it I'll give you a bit more information in case you're considering buying one, because I know from personal experience that choosing a mattress can be a bit of a headache. So I really hope that if you are considering getting a new mattress that you find this video useful, and don't forget if you're new here to hit subscribe, and please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. Okay, so here it is. This is the box that it came in. As you can see, this is quite a large box, and it did take two of us to get it up the stairs. So if you are ordering a mattress, just keep it in mind that they're quite heavy, but it is in this handy box which made getting it up the stairs a little bit easier. You can see that the handles have ripped a tiny bit, but yeah, it wasn't too bad with two of us. If you're on a flat floor, you could just shuffle it along like that, like a penguin, and you'd probably be alright by yourself, but I don't want any of you to injure your backs, so make sure you've got some help to get it up the stairs if you need to get it up any stairs. This one is a double, by the way, to give you an idea of the size of the box. Let me just turn it around so you can see. Yeah, that's how big the box is. Right, let's have a look inside. Oh, delivery was really quick, by the way. It came in 2 days. Okay, on the end of the box, it looks like it's got some instructions, some simple instructions. Whoa. Step 1 looks like open the box. Step 2, roll it out. Step 3, cut it open, and step 4, let it expand. Woo. That was tricky to say all that while I was holding it. Okay, here it is. Let's slide it out then. We just push it. We'll push and pull. Oh, there we go. Oh, wow. Why did I decide to film this video on the hottest day of the year, and potentially the hottest day that the UK has ever known? There's something in the bottom of the box. Come here. Oh, it's this handy little cutter to get into the packaging. I will put the box out of the way. I will be reusing that for my DIYs. Perfect when I fold that out for a bit of spray painting. And by the way, with these mattresses you do get a 100-night guarantee. So you've got 100 nights to try the mattress out, and if you're not happy with it and you think, no, it's not for me, you'll be able to return it to them free of charge. Absolutely no quibbles with that. I think that's really good that you can try out the mattress in the comfort of your own home, and then yeah, you know, you've got that guarantee. So it comes with this leaflet that tells us a bit more information. At Emma, we believe that sleep is more than just a necessity. We spend a third of our lives in bed, so it's essential that our mattresses provide comfort for a blend of comfort, support, and sleep soundly through the night. Yeah, I was actually thinking about this when I was setting up to get ready for this video, and I do think that a mattress is one of those things that we really should be investing in. I genuinely believe that. I think something like a bed frame you could happily pick up second hand, or, you know, have one passed on to you, or even build one out of pallet crates, but your mattress is so important for your comfort in order to sleep right. And the fact of the matter is, we do spend a third, approximately, that's based on 8 hours a night, of our lifetime asleep. So by the time we're 75, we'll have spent 25 years sleeping. That's quite terrifying, isn't it? Let's focus on the positives, and let's make sure that we can enjoy the sleep that we're getting. So this mattress is made here in the UK, and it has 3 layers that are breathable and adaptive air gel foam. and pressure relieving viscoelastic memory foam and a supportive cold foam. Now, I'm not very technical when it comes to this stuff, but what I do know is that Which have tested out this mattress and it's actually come out top of their Best Buy Mattresses 2018. I really trust Which's reviews, and also the customer reviews on this mattress have been fantastic. I've bought products from Which surveys in the past and I've always found them to be very accurate, so I think this is a really good sign. Okay, let's get it open. So I've got my handy little tool here. It's got the instructions in here as well. So it says unpacking, remove Emma from its box. I love the fact that it's called Emma. Roll Emma, I'm just going to call it Emma now, onto a flat surface. So I've already got my bed built here. If you haven't got your bed yet, you could just put it on the floor and have a few days on the floor, you'd be good to go. And now we're going to remove the plastic wrapper using the enclosed cutter to gently cut and remove the plastic film. So let's do that. Ooh, that's like, you know, when you do the wrapping paper at Christmas time. Very satisfying. That's the first layer. Looks like there's a few here. Go through the next one. I guess this is probably a bit safer than doing it with scissors as well. There's a few layers here. I guess it does need that to keep it rolled up. I think this might be the last one because I can feel it pulling like crazy. Saying, let me out! And I can hear the air. There we go. Right, it's starting to grow. Can you see this? Woo! Can you hear that? That's all the air going into it. That's so exciting. Let's get rid of all this plastic. Again, I will be reusing all of this for painting and decorating. And I'm going to turn it around. Right. Oh, wow. That feels really good. Oh, yes. That is actually... Just lie down. Oh, wow, that feels nice. You can tell that the top layer is quite squidgy, which I wasn't expecting. I thought it was going to be a little bit firmer, but it's actually very squidgy on that first top layer, which feels incredible. But then you can feel it's got some firmness underneath there. That is a good sign, very exciting. Just lie here and read my book, and my elbows feel amazing. No springs in them. It gets the thumbs up so far. So I'm just going to read to you a few frequently asked questions. It says, how long will it take to get used to my new Emma? And they suggest giving 3 to 4 weeks before returning the mattress if you don't get on with it. And I think 3 or 4 weeks is what research suggests is a good amount of time to get used to a new mattress, because of course your back may be adjusting to the new firmness of it, depending on what you've been sleeping on previously, if that makes sense. Emma fits on any flat surface. This is really handy actually, because you may not have a traditional bed, you may only be able to afford the mattress. I think it's better to spend the money on the mattress. Honestly, just put it straight on the floor if you need to. So this mattress can lay on any clean flat surface, including the top of a divan base, on a slat frame, or directly onto the floor. And with that in mind, the cover that it comes with has a slip resistant material underneath it to keep the mattress in place, so it won't be slipping and sliding on whatever you decide to put it on. Do I have to relocate my mattress or flip it over every few months? That's a good question, and I often wonder that with mattresses. It's not necessary to turn the mattress over, since the aerosol layer should always face upwards. Emma is built to last, so not necessary to flip the mattress over. And how do I clean Emma? The top cover can be washed at 60 degrees Celsius and the side and bottom covers at 40 degrees Celsius. So the top is this white fabric and the underneath is like a thicker grey fabric. We'll have a quick look at that in a minute. And it says that small stains can be easily removed with warm water and a gentle detergent. So this is the top layer, and it's kind of like this waffly effect going on there, and it's nice and squishy actually. I'd say to a few inches deep it's quite squishy, which feels really nice. And then you can zip that section off, and then underneath you've got this darker layer going on, which is great as well because you don't want that bit getting grubby. Obviously you'll have a mattress protector over this. And it's also got these, which I love to see on a mattress, some handles, so that if you are ever moving it, you've got something to grip onto. Gosh, this feels so good. I'm so excited for sleep tonight. It says that this just needs a few hours to settle in, to find its feet, and then Emma will be good for sleeping on. And I will be coming back to you with a full review to let you know how I get on. If you've been considering getting a new mattress, or maybe you feel like it's time for an upgrade, or you want to try something new to improve maybe any back problems that you've been having, or just to improve your sleep in general, then don't forget that you have got a 25% discount code that I've managed to wangle for you. This is exclusive here. I actually can't believe they've given me this code, so it's exclusive for you, the viewers on this channel. Nobody else in the UK has got this code that's going to give you 25% off this week. The code runs from today, so Sunday, through until Sunday next week. So if you're considering it, you've got a week to think about it, and as I say, don't forget you've got 100 nights to test this mattress out to see how you get on with it, and it's free delivery and free returns. So I hope that that is a good deal for you. And not only have I got that discount code, I've also got my competition. You actually stand a really good chance of winning this. The competition is over on my Instagram, and all you have to do is go over there, so I'll link my Instagram down below, and you just need to make sure you're following me, Mr. Carrington, on Instagram, and also follow Emma Mattresses. And then all you need to do is leave a comment on this picture. That is all you need to do. So follow me, follow Emma, and leave a comment on this picture, and you'll be in with a chance of winning one of these Emma original mattresses in whichever size you would like. So best of luck if you decide to enter that, and I'm really pleased that a mattress is going to be going to one of you. That makes me really excited, and hopefully if you win it, you'll be able to tag me in a picture of it once it's in your home. I'd love to see how you get on with it. If you've got any questions that I haven't already answered, feel free to leave me them in the comments down below, and I will answer all of those for you. And if you've got this mattress already and you have any opinions on it, please feel free to leave those in the comments down below as well. That would be really helpful, and I will pin any that I think are useful at the top of the comments for everybody to see. If you're new here, don't forget to hit subscribe, and please do give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it or you found it useful. Good luck if you're entering the competition. I'm so excited about that, and don't forget you've got the discount code for all of this week up until midnight on Sunday. All the details are down below, and the code to use is Mr. C25. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye! I feel like there was a lot of information to give you in this video, and just in case I've missed anything, I'm going to remind you again that all the information, everything, will be in the description down below, so please feel free to go and have a read of that. Are you focusing today? Yeah. Oh, I'm sweaty, aren't I? It's so hot! Then you can send it back free of charge, and actually maybe you don't need the box because you wouldn't be able to get it back into the box, so ignore that bit. But yeah. What is that noise? Why? Why are you screaming? Whew. Also comes with a handy fan for shooting in the heat wave. I apologise if you can see, well, I have broken a sweat opening it, but apologies. Oh,